I stay home because it is raining. I stay home because it is raining. I am tired because I worked all day. I am tired because I worked all day. I clean the table before I eat. I clean the table before I eat. I drink water after I exercise. I drink water after I exercise. I realize that I was wrong. I realize that I was wrong. I read a book while I drink tea. I read a book while I drink tea.
I walk to work if the bus is late. I walk to work if the bus is late.
I rest if I feel tired. I rest if I feel tired. I eat lunch while I talk with friends. I eat lunch while I talk with friends. I feel that I did my best. I feel that I did my best.